Hello everyone, welcome back to another Digital Marketing Tactician video. My name is David Morgan, and today what we're going to go over is how to capitalize on the momentum that we've been building in the Workhorse solution here. So in the last video, we took in our Workhorse links that built the URLs, and then we converted them into a spreadsheet on Google. And then we converted them into a document on Google as well. Then we took that document and converted them into PDFs and then uploaded them to the 3 areas on the internet. And so we're going to take this a little bit further, and we are going to download as web page. So again, if you're keeping up, we're actually using 2 viable things here to provide backlinks, right? Because that's what we want to do. And so that's what I've done here. And so what I want to do is, because I know that this link is pointing back to the Google Drive folder right here, what I want to do is start stacking this, okay? And so I'm going to stack this from the Google Cloud, and then Amazon is going to point it back to the Google Cloud. And then the Google Cloud is pointing back to this here drive. Or actually, it's pointing back to this document, and this document is pointing back to the Google Drive. So it's a little bit cumbersome, but it's really worth it. It's really valuable. So the way I'm going to go about doing this is actually editing the code of the file. So it's way up here. Now, what I also notice is that there isn't a meta title, I don't think. Oh well, let's go for it. Let's just add it in there. Title. I know to the untrained eye, this might seem a little bit like reading gibberish, but it's probably because you are deck builders near me in California. Perfect. So what I'm looking for is, check this out, because that's the main link. I'm going to change over to visit this site. And this is the URL. Actually, I could close this out. And here's the URL to that. Copy. And now, generally speaking, having a good editor will make your life a lot easier. But this is going to do the trick for now, because I don't want to worry about anything too extravagant. Also, let me just do this too, because I can't do this in a document, which is add a copy. We'll just add a video. And so let's see. There we are. That's the end of that. So we'll just add a video there. But first, we'll just do some regular breaks. Actually, I could have wrapped it up in a, I could have wrapped it up in a div or whatever, but it's not supposed to be all that glamorous anyways, so why worry about it? Now the image, I have to be able to find it, is in here somewhere. And I am going to change that image over so I don't have to worry about, here it is, right here. I'm actually just going to change it over by using the media from Custom Deck Builders. right? And any image will do. Copy. And we'll throw that in there, paste. And we should be good. Save as, wait a minute. What I want to do with the image is make sure that there's an alt tag. There it is, custom deck builders in near me in California. All right, perfect. So we're going to save as all files. I like to do the UTF-8 rather, and then .html. Okay, and so basically now all I have to do is upload this file to Google Drive. I'm sorry, to the Google Cloud. And I can't stress this enough. I'm still being asked about how much does it cost to use Google Cloud Platform, or to use Amazon, or to use the Azure. Again, that's going to be variable depending on how much data is being used. You know, I've used this for several months now, and the most I've paid was like 17 cents. You know, and so it's like 17 cents. And so you do the math. If that's too much for you, then I don't know what to tell you. You know, it's one of those things that, you know, you got to pick your own battles. And so that's one of those things that says, you know what, I can't afford a few pennies to make this work for me. Then you might have to find another alternative to the same strategy, and hopefully it's just as good. But the reason why I'm using this strategy is because I want to utilize the power of Google and the power of Amazon to get what I want. So there it is. Is that it, really? I don't think that's it. Yeah, it is. Perfect. No, that's not it. Oops. What did I label it? Strangely, I can't remember. Yeah, visit this site. Yeah, that was it. Which is weird because it seems like I'm just saying the same thing as before. Oh yeah, check this out. Okay, this is great. So that's the HTML, and there's the video and all that. So that's good. Copy, and we're gonna paste it here, because if you document all of this stuff, then it makes it easier for you to go back to it and all that jazz. And now at the same token, I'm gonna need this, and I am going to stop it right here, and I'm going to add this to the Amazon Cloud Drive, and then I want to come back in the next video and talk about some best practices, which may be a lengthier video for that reason. So in the meantime, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Visit the website at digitalmarketingtactician.xyz, and visit us on Facebook. We got a Facebook group that's pretty good, and I want to see you guys there. Until next time, have a great day.